this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I'm going to use the cut file that's got a bunch of books in it. Now, when Virginia originally released this particular cut file, you were able to actually make it into like a small album with the components of stapling it together to make it look like a book. However, what I'm going to use it for is I took the three white portioned ones, cut it down to the size I needed, and then back them with this Simple Stories collection that I have. And the photos that I am using are of excuse me, are of my reading nook that I built last school year. Because over the course of COVID, I was able to purchase a bunch of books and all of that kind of fun stuff for the kids. And I wanted to build this up and make it just that much better for the students, you know, from years to come. So what I decided to do was that I bought two things from IKEA, or from Target, that look like IKEA. Put them down, and then I built it. Well, now this year I'm going to take the same photos and I added space to it because I'm getting a collection of books here. So the two IKEA or the two Target calyxes that you see there, or whatever they call it, is going to stay are going to stay there. However, I added another bookshelf that's a taller bookshelf for some other type books, like my fiction books and things like that. So I am going to be taking another picture because this section has evolved in the last 3 years. It's crazy. I started out with a rolling cart just so that they had some type of books. I brought a lot of books from KJ's library to the school, and then it evolved into this, and now it's even bigger. Like, moving rooms isn't going to be an issue. If I move schools, my husband's going to kill me. That's all I'm going to say. But so that is that, and that is what the photos are. So I am taking these collections and I'm making them kind of fly around the photos, and I'm just adding different things on it. I do add this title that is called Fabulous, and I leave it. That is going to be the title, and then I just kind of go from there and kind of play around with these 5 books that I backed. Now, I am notorious, if you guys don't know, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am notorious to take different colored cardstock or pattern paper, cut them out, and then back them just like I do here. I back this with different types of colors from this Simple Stories collection, Oh Happy Day. I had it originally, I purchased quite a bit of it originally, and then Erica over at Erica Creates also sent it out because I took her class for I can't remember what it was for. It was in May. Oh, it was for like National Scrapbooking Day. That's what it was. And I got it again, so that was perfect. She sent out some cut files and stuff that were for the kid as well, but I set those aside, and I wanted to obviously find these book cut files for it. But yeah, it came with like a bunch of stuff, so I've added, so quite a bit of my layouts have this collection. Like, I literally got the full collection one time, and then somehow I got some more of it, and then now I got it again. So I'm just using it up. I absolutely love it. Like, it's not something that I would get bored with, because I do put it away, and then when it strikes my fancy, I bring it back out again, and then you'll see a couple more layouts from it. Sooner or later, I will kill this kit or this collection, one of the two. Not sure when, but sometime I will get this done and over with. But I'm just taking these little bits and bobs of the ephemera that I had in this collection. Now, I do have another bin full of it. I'm just using up the one collection that I do have at first of ephemera and then going from there. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad to find you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do have collaborations and all of this good stuff, design team layouts, all of that. And then I just do normal chitter chatter type stuff on here. So if you are new, I would love for you to hit that subscriber button along with the notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time that I do release a video. Also, I am super close. I'm getting there to 3,000 subscribers. I am on my last 6 months, and I think I can do this. I totally think we can get to 3,000 subscribers by December, so that January I can give away my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. That would be fantastic. So let's see here. I'm just adding all these little bits and bobs left. I am almost super done with this. I just love the simplicity of it. I mean, it looks busy to you guys, but to me, this is pretty simple for me. If you would know me, or once you get to know me a little bit more, if you're new, you'll definitely know that this is a simple layout for me. So here I am. I'm just placing down the enamel dots, and then I do come in with a journal pen and I draw some black little squiggly lines all the way around it just to tie it in a little bit more. And that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you go check over the Facebook group for confessions as well. And also down in the description we'll have the link for this cut file. Make sure that you use it. Go give us some love over there. She released just a brand new freebie in the group, so make sure you go check that out as well. I am just finishing this part up. I am trying to get rid of those enamel dots, and I didn't make it. There just was too much on there. So here, this is where I was bringing in that journaling pen I was talking about. I'm just making the black squiggly lines, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all having a safe and wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.